Hi, this is Jessica Bonilla, head gardener here at Hillwood Estate Museum and Gardens, and What's in Bloom today takes us up to the beds outside of the rose garden, where we're going to talk not only about flowers but also about fragrance. So let's take a look. So this plant might look familiar to you. This is Syringa vulgaris, the common lilac, really well known for its beautiful large flowers with a wonderful strong floral scent. It also has very handsome heart-shaped leaves. It is a small tree, and unfortunately here in the DC area we are on the edge of its heat tolerance. So here at Hillwood we are working with the University of California outside of Los Angeles and discussing heat tolerant cultivars. So as I learn more, I'd be happy to keep you updated. Moving over this way, this is the Azalea Coromo Shikaboo. This is the split petal azalea, and you can see that it really has a pretty nice form. It's about 5 feet tall, but really gets equally as wide. This is actually several plants here in this grouping. You can see why it's called the split petal azalea. It has long strap-like, even considered spider-like flowers. There aren't many fragrant azaleas, but Coromo Shikaboo does have a slight fragrance. It also blooms a little later than our early blooming Kurumis and Korean azaleas. It's one of our favorites here, and we always get lots of questions about it. Moving over this way, here we have a perennial in bloom. This is Tiarella cordifolia, and this is the cultivar Brandywine. And you can see it has wonderful bottle brush shaped flowers. And here they even look a little bristly. And that's because you can see here that they have really long stamens. See how long their stamens are? And that kind of gives that exaggerated bristle-like look. It also has some attractive foliage as well. It has this dark purple center in there. And it is great for a part sun scenario where it will make this nice matting ground cover effect. Last plant to talk about today, this is Viburnum retidophyllum, and this is the cultivar Cree. And I'm pointing this out because this too is also fragrant. It is a pretty large shrub. This is about 9 feet tall and is actually considered compact when compared to its species. We'll look at the flowers up close. You can see here that it has this large flat white cyme flower, and it is fragrant, but I never know whether it's a good fragrance or not. Just an interesting scent. Then these flowers will then turn into berries, which will start as red and then turn black as they mature. It does have evergreen foliage as well, so it really is a plant for all seasons. Sometimes that makes it difficult to know when to prune. So this we would prune after it's done flowering. It would be better to lose some of the berry production than lose the flowers for next year. It does bloom on old wood. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye.